You might think a drink is just what you find in a glass. But a great drink is so much more than that. Better than anything else, they help people come together in a variety of ways. And finding the people and stories behind a drink can be both fun and fascinating. Now, some of you might be wondering why I'm so keen to tell you about all of these things. And it's not just because I love a drink. Well, my name's Ryan Chaithier-Wardner, and I'm also known as Mr Lyan. And although I'm super proud of the success we've had, it gets a little awkward shouting about it. So the producers have kindly asked me to tell you the following. I've been working in the drinks industry for over 20 years and have been named world's best bartender. I now own bars across the globe, including Lioness, which recently was named world's best bar. I've also been included in the top 100 modern Britons by British Airways, won Time Out's Person of the Decade, and also have been named the world's most influential bar personality. Is that okay, guys? In this series, I'm going to teach you how to drink, what to drink, and where to drink, in different cities all across the world. I'll introduce you to some of the pioneers driving the industry forwards, and I'm also going to teach you some insider tips, including how to make delicious things for your friends. Big love, pals.
We love you, Ryan.
This show isn't about overindulging in booze, but becoming more knowledgeable about the stuff that passes our lips. So we're done with the formalities. Let's crack on with the show. Cheers.